How I finally became consistent after blowing multiple accounts. Let me be real with you. Have you ever funded an account, excited, confident, ready to finally make money, and then a few days later, it's gone? Not slowly, wiped out. You sit there staring at your screen thinking, how did this even happen? You promise yourself, next time I'll be more disciplined. You fund again, and the same thing happens. Different trades, same result. And now you're stuck in this painful cycle. Fund account, trade emotionally, blow account, repeat. If that's you, then this video might be the most important one you'll ever watch. Look, here's the thing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I finally became consistent after blowing multiple accounts. And more importantly, how you can do the same. Because once you understand what I'm about to show you, you'll stop the cycle of blowing accounts, you'll gain control over your trading, and you'll finally start seeing consistent results. And listen, if this video helps you even a little, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because this could be the shift that changes your trading journey. The truth I didn't want to accept. Let me be real with you. I was not losing because of the market. I was losing because of myself. Here's what most people don't realize. The market is not your enemy. Your lack of discipline is. I had strategies, good ones, back-tested setups, clear entries, defined risk, but I still lost. Why? Because I didn't follow them. The stat that hit me hard. Studies show that over 80% of retail traders lose money. But here's what shocked me. Most of them are not failing because of strategy. They're failing because of overtrading, emotional decisions, poor risk management. Sound familiar? My breaking point. Let me tell you the moment everything changed. I blew an account again, and this time it wasn't small. Let's say I funded with $1,000. Within days, gone. Now let's break it down. I risked 10% per trade, which is $100. Took 5 losing trades. That's $500 gone. Then I tried to recover. Increased lot size, took revenge trades. Next thing you know, account equals 0. And that's when it hit me. This is not trading. This is gambling. The cytology that was destroying me. Look, this is where it gets really interesting, because the problem wasn't technical, it was psychological. The real issues: fear, closing winners too early; greed, over-leveraging; revenge, entering bad trades; ego, refusing to accept losses. Now, you might be thinking, but I just want to recover my losses. Exactly, and that's what keeps you stuck. The math that changed everything. Let's do simple math. X, old me, emotional trader. Risk, $100 per trade. Reward, $100. Win rate, 50%. 10 trades. Wins equals $500. Losses equals minus $500. Break even. But wait, because of emotions. Cut winners early, $70. Let losers run, minus $150. New result, wins equals $350. Losses equals minus $750. Net equals minus $400. Checkmark, new me, disciplined trader. Risk, $50. Reward, $100. Win rate, 50%. 10 trades. Wins equals $500, losses equals minus $250. Net equals plus $250. Same market, different behavior, different outcome. This is where everything changed. Here's what most people don't realize. Consistency is not about making more money. It's about losing less. Let that sink in. The shift that made me consistent. I stopped trying to make money and started focusing on protecting my capital. Mental shift. Old mindset, how much can I make today? New mindset, how much can I protect today? What I did differently, step by step. Let's get practical. I reduced my risk from 10% per trade to 1 to 2%. This changed everything. I stopped overtrading. Before, 15 to 20 trades per week. After, 3 to 5. Quality over quantity. I accepted losses. This was hard, but necessary. Losses are part of the game. I created rules and followed them like my life depended on it, because it does financially. I tracked everything, every trade, every mistake, every emotion. The turning point, there was a week where I only took 4 trades, 2 wins, 2 losses, and guess what? I was profitable. That's when I realized I don't need more trades, I need better decisions. What you must stop doing. Let me be direct. If you want to be consistent, stop over-leveraging, revenge trading, jumping strategies, trading without a plan, watching the market all day. Here's the truth no one tells you. Blowing accounts is not bad. Staying the same is. Every blown account was a lesson, but only when I changed did things improve. So if you're tired of losing money, starting over, feeling stuck, then listen carefully. You don't need a new strategy, you need a new mindset. And look, if this video helped you understand what's really holding you back, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because consistency is not luck, it's discipline. I didn't become consistent when I found a better strategy. I became consistent when I became a better trader.